तो मुझे साउथ फिल्म के लिए बुलाया गया था एंड ही कॉल्ड मी इन हिज रूम एंड ही सेड कि अंकिता वी वांट टू आस्क यू समथिंग। मैंने यस। बोले आपको कॉम्प्रोमाइज करना पड़ेगा एंड I was so smart because I was all alone in that room and I was just 19 or 20.
Yeah.
And then he asked me and I was like, okay, which type of compromise does your producer want? Like, do I have to go for parties? Do I have to go for dinner? Because I was not, I do not wanted to go there जहाँ वो बोले you have to sleep with the producer. And the moment he said, मैंने उसकी बैंड बजा दी थी। मतलब I think your producer wants a girl to sleep with, not a very talented girl to work with. And I left from there. And he was like, I'm really sorry, Ankita, but I'll try to take you in my film. I said, if you try and if you take me also, I'm not interested in your film. You know, I was, I think from my childhood, I was like that, you know. So, मुझे किसी चीज का, क्योंकि ये, और मुझे तब से ना नैनदीप, जब मैंने वो चीज सुनी अपने लिए कि somebody asking me to sleep with him was something, it broke me. And मुझे ऐसा लगा कि मैं कैसी इंडस्ट्री में हूँ जहाँ लोग मुझसे इतने इजीली बोल सकते हैं कि आपको सोना पड़ेगा। You understood? I don't know whether you will understand. As a girl, I felt so in this. I'm so sorry, but I felt like मैं इसकी बैंड बजा दूँ, you know. और फिर हाँ, उसके बाद मैं वापस से फिल्म्स में आई। There,
By then you are already done.
Yeah. Okay. Like, yeah. So I don't take anybody's name, but yes, I felt it. Like, with just holding hands, I felt it. And he was somebody, you know, like everybody knows, and I felt
some
it.
Big actor.
Yeah, some big actor. और मुझे ऐसा लगा कि अच्छा मैंने अपना हाथ छोड़ा, क्योंकि I got those vibes and I knew it. अब मेरा यहाँ नहीं होगा, क्योंकि it's very important that जो भी सामने बैठा है वो भी, it's a, you know, give and take thing. And I understood and I left from there. I was like, no, this is not for me. But I'm sure there is something for me. Maybe not this way.
मुंह पे बोल दिया कि नहीं होगा.
Yes.
When you
No. Nobody said like that कि नहीं होगा. But I felt it. He was very clear कि अरे इसको कोई फर्क भी नहीं पड़ेगा, बाहर जाएगी तो इसका होगा नहीं होगा. I was like, हाँ नहीं पड़ेगा. And I left.
But you know, when you talk about strength, again coming back to that, and like I said, tragedy, sorrow, grief are, मतलब बोलने में बहुत easy होता है, deal करने में बहुत difficult होता है, and I am sorry, but this is not an act. I have felt major grief last year. I have also dealt with a personal loss of sorts, and I know the kind of loss that you have dealt with. It has changed a lot of perspective that I have towards my work, towards my life, towards people. I want to know, how do I put it? जब वो हो रहा था, I remember I had given you a call within like 4 days, and in the beginning you will not believe, but I was really scared for you too. Because I was going through the comments, जिस दिन वो हुआ, when Sushant passed away, I was, and my friends are here, they'll tell you, when I was reading those comments, it broke my heart, because I know what, जिनको टारगेट किया जा रहा था, उन लोगों ने कितना उसके साथ खड़े रहते. How did you deal with that kind of negativity which you never called for?
Yeah, see, for I think 10 to 12 days, I did not know what is happening, because